Okay, welcome to JC Connect. In the previous class, we were discussing about the different SR books. Okay, um, which SR book get used for what purpose? That we were discussing. Um, Overall, uh, we will use PWD SR rates, but still, some of the departments um, they will prefer their own SR books. Okay. Um, Normally PWD, some of the ZP works, okay, they will go for the PWSR rates. Suppose if the design of water supply distribution network for the villages, okay, they have their own um, separate SR book. Okay, if they are going for example, a ZP, so they are having a PRE, that is Panchayat Raj Engineering. Okay, so they have separately they have divided for their own departments. Like that. Later, I'll show you the Excel sheet of the PWDSR rate as well as the RWS, that is rural um, water supply and sanitation department. So that is only for the Belgaum circles. Okay, different circles, okay, different divisions are having a different slightly variation in the rates. Why? Because the area weightage is going to change. Always you have to remember. Okay, area weightage in the sense, um, the area weightage is like, for example, if some of the materials, if you are transporting from one other to other place, for example, Belgaum city, if the Belgaum cement manufacturer is there in Belgaum city, suppose if you are transporting to an like Bengaluru, if there is no cement industry in Bengaluru, so whatever the transportation charges, that will be paid by that area. Okay, so in that cases, what you have to do is that you have to add the area weightage for that, and you have to um, go for the final estimate. Okay, so different area is having different rates. Okay, so this is the RWS. Suppose if you are designing it for any sanitation work, if you are designing it for any um, village, especially for villages. Okay, this is exclusively for the villages. Okay, if you are designing it for um, sewer line, then you can use this. If you are designing water supply distribution network, okay, you have to use this. Okay, so the components involved. Okay, see, and remember that all these whatever um, they have their own separate SR rates. What I'm talking about now, always they are the base will be PWDSR. Okay, small change in the variation will be rates will be there, but the base will be from the PWDSR rate only. So that is a Bible, and um, the ministry will be there, so that they are going to monitor in that PWD. And always, even if it is going to revise this RWS SR rate, the 2019 and 20, what we are talking about now, um, if they are going to revise, they have to refer that SR also. Okay, so normally this consists of the first one, that is chapter number site clearing and dismantling, earthwork, how exactly some mortar, if you are using mortar, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5. Okay, what exactly the rate is that? Okay, then cement concrete, if it is there, if it is a masonry structures, stonework, bricks works, so what exactly you have to use, how much you have to use it. Then roofing, steel, aluminum, if you are using that material for especially iron grills and all those things for the OHTs. Okay, so how exactly you will use it? For steel and aluminum, for normally we'll use it for OHT works, even for the seed works, that is cross drainage works also we will use it. Then that is woodwork. So even if you are using the woodwork, um, that is also fine. So then finishing works, then pipeline, and if you are using different pipelines, for example, um, different types of pipe materials are available. For example, 4 KSC, 6 KSC, 8 KSC, means KSC in the sense that much uh, pressure. Okay, kg per centimeter square. KSC stands for, that is kg per centimeter square. Okay, so 4 kg means that much kg of pressure per centimeter square area it is going to withstand. Okay, so then well works, pump set, accessories. Suppose if any well, open well, if you are fabricating it, what exactly the rates that we have to charge it. So if you are using pump sets, so then um, what exactly the rate for pump set, that also you have to see. Then for example, different 5 HP pump. Okay, how much you have to charge. Okay, so for 10 HP pump, what will be the charge rate? Okay, anything related to water and wastewater treatment plants. Okay, so preferably this has been preferred. Okay, even you can use PWD SR rate also, not a problem. Okay, small variation in the rates will be there. Okay, but they will recommend that you have to refer this code itself. Okay, so of course uh, this I'll share it, so maybe it will be helpful for your future. Definitely you won't get anywhere this. Okay, you can keep this as a reference. So always whenever the SR books are being um, done, okay, so some of the additional notes, this is very important as an practicing engineers. Okay, sometimes you have to deviate in some aspects. Okay, where the field is very rough, or some of the things you are not going to execute as per the design. In that cases, some of the deviations can be preferred with this additional notes. If you read this additional notes, some of the powers will be given to the higher authorities to from deviation. For example, if you have suppose if you prepare the detailed project report for 2022 lakhs. Okay, suppose if the period of execution is for 3 years, assume that if it is for 3 years, then suppose if it is not go on even over by 5 years, see automatically the estimated cost is going to be a higher. Okay, in that cases, so some extra powers will be given to the higher authorities. To it will be from above AEE. Okay, AEE and above the powers will be given. So assistant executive engineers and executive engineers or superintendent engineers. So in that way, the powers will be given that they can increase the whatever the DPR estimated cost. Okay, that is the thing. So in that cases, all the provisions will be given. Okay, that you have to read it carefully. Okay, so this I took it from our Belgaum circle only. Okay, so for borewells and some of the miscellaneous, very important thing is that um, some of the miscellaneous things like in the finishing works, or some of the things like labor works, a lot of deviations is going to happen in labor works and all those things. So in that cases you can deviate it. Okay, and how exactly you have to deviate it, that all guidelines you have to read it. Okay, see then this is what I am talking about. See in our there are different zones are there, that is zone A, zone 1, that is zone B, Then again, in that classifications, zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 5, 4, and zone 5. See the area weightage what we are talking about. See Belagavi, Bagalkot, Vijaypur. Okay. So how much it will be considered? Belagavi, see here. So that is 5% for, this is for zone A. Okay. And this whatever the weightage we are talking about, okay, it is for only some items, remember. Okay. It is not for all the items. Okay. See, for example, if any material is coming from Delhi to Karnataka, okay, assuming that, the rates will be same. Okay, it will not be a difference. Hmm? Only some of the things the area weightage is going to change. Some of the like, um, mm, I'll show you that for what we have. I'll give you an example for which we have taken the area weightage. Okay, which material. Hmm? So then, so if it is an state border area, so exactly you have to take it. If it is major irrigation area, so what percentage you have to take it. So then if it is a forest area, so what weightage. If it is the zone fifth, okay, so coastal guard sections and all those things, so how much you have to prefer. So just this is an information, so how to select it. So zone B has given complete details, and these are material rates. Okay, just to go through it once. So if it is a different signs, if it's RCC pipes with collars, see that. Okay, so here you can see 110 kg, that is 2, okay, AC means 2 kg per centimeter square. Okay, pressure pipe, that is PVC. So how much you have to with collars. Here zone A and zone B. See, whenever you are, if you are Belgaum district, it will come under zone A. If it is it is a Haveri district, it will comes under zone B. Okay. So here all the items are there. That I'll share it later. Hmm. See, for site cleaning and dismantling, so what you have to use it. Okay. Then the earthwork calculation for different depths. Okay, even most of the time whenever the earthwork calculations if you are doing it, be careful. And very important thing is that uh, whenever you are quoting anything, remember that, remember page number you have to mention. Okay, page number you have to mention, then the serial number. Okay, that is very important. Whenever if you are doing any estimate, okay, this page number and the serial number. Okay, SL number and the page number, that always you have to mention. And this statement always you have to read it carefully. Okay, see, well, what will happen is that in most of the time, I'll give you an example that um, sometimes earthwork calculations are there, assuming that earthwork calculations are there. So in that, he is going to mention including filling. Okay, the rates whatever he will give here. Okay, then that kind of cases are there. Okay, I'll show you one. See, always you have to read it carefully. That is, show one. See here. This is 2.24 reference number. So what he is saying that earthwork excavation for water supply and center lines, so electrical conduits, and here you can see that, okay, so whatever the rate he has given, okay, it is including the backfilling of the excavated earth. Okay, see what we will do some mistakes that, okay, will earthwork excavation will give the separator and backfilling will give the other rates. Okay, that should not happen. Always the whatever the things are there, okay, you have to read this carefully. Okay, you have to read this carefully. So what item that includes or what it is saying, okay, whether it is correct or not. Okay, and one more time, the main thing, some of the things like um, that also I'll show you. Mm. So here you can see the different motors. Okay, and remember that uh, most of the time what will happen is that class A pipe and um, class B pipe. Fine, that I class A. See here. So for example, GI pipes are there. So class A, assume that take 15 mm. For running meter, it is 106. See here. See, many of the engineers, even many of the field engineers, this they don't know. See, class A, assume that, just note down this 15 mm for running meter, it is 106. Okay. Then again, class B, that is medium, you can see that it is 126. Always in the sense that, okay, class A is superior than class B. It does not make any sense. Okay, always we have to target, if it is a class B, it is the superior material. See here also you can see class C. Okay, it is always under the impression that class C is uh, lower than class A. Okay, the class C is superior than class A. So many of the mistake, even most of the engineers also they don't know. Okay, that the mistakes you are not supposed to do it. Okay, so just go through it once. Okay, okay, then we will go ahead with one sample. Uh, Sample, I'll estimate, I share it. Okay, this is the sample estimate for the uh, the Chikkabandiveri village. See, whatever the estimates I'm showing, okay, that estimates is prepared by us only. I'm the main coordinator for this whole projects. Okay, we have covered around more than 100 villages. Okay, for Chikkodi districts and Haveri districts, we carried out. Okay, and this is the village. The Chikkabindigiri village is from the um, the Haveri district. Okay, see how exactly the format of the estimate will be there. You can just check it out one by one. Okay, see, this is the the design of water supply distribution network for the rural villages. Okay, the village name that is Chikkabindigiri. See, you can see that how the format of the estimation will be there. See, it will start from the abstract. See, normally later you have to do the abstract. Then, so which are the main components? See, in water supply distribution network, so it will start from the jack well construction. So then it will start with the rising main. Then you have the water treatment plant, and once it is water treatment plant is over, then it has to go to the OST. It has to be the water has to be lifted to the OST overhead tank. Then it has to be distributed to and the consumers. So whenever if you are distributing to the consumers, okay, in the villages we are not doing any water treatment plant. So water treatment plant is not considered in this part. Okay, actually in this we considered the components like the if any OHT is under repair, that repair we have to consider. If the pipeline has to be laid as per the design, and any chambers, that is wall chambers, we require different walls at some of the intervals. So how to design that wall chambers? Then the pipe connections, okay, the whatever individual household pipe connections, and one more component called retrofitting. So that retrofitting is the repair of the existing connections. So retrofitting stands for the repair of the existing connections. Okay, so it will comes under the Jal Jeevan mission, that is the scheme of central government scheme. So the main objective of this Jal Jeevan mission is to provide the water supply of minimum 55 LPCD. Okay, minimum of 55 LPCD, that is 55 liters per capita per day. Okay, how much we have to give means we have to provide we have to provide the 55 LPCD. Okay, so this is the main abstract. You can see here in the abstract, in the abstract see all the items that will be included. Okay, so construction of an ELSR, that is existing, that is OST. So then rising main line, then repair work. So different formats are there, whether it will come in part A or part B. Okay, then distribution line, household connection, retrofitting, that will be there. Then remember that, see, even it will include the third party inspection, see, preparation of DPR and some miscellaneous, and the tender premium charges. Just note down all the items. See, for your information, I am showing this. Okay, and finally, once all the items are included, see here, see, even the GST has also been, it has to be included. Remember, for the grand total you have to include the GST also. Okay, then final amount whatever it will come, so that will be the final amount. Okay, so this is the estimate of the OST. You can find the different items, and remember that here, see, whichever the things you can do the estimate, and always you have to write the reference here. This is very important. You can see the reference. You can see the reference here. So RWESR 2019 20. So page number 11 and the serial number that you have to write. Always whichever the item, if it is there. Okay, and some of the items you can some of the items that I'm taken by using the PWD. Okay, SRS, basically that one only. Okay, and this is about the design of RCC wall chamber, and this is the design of, this is repair, and this is the pipeline, and this is then FSDC. Here you can see that some of the items, like these items, providing and fixing the walls, ceilings, these items. Okay, it has been taken from the PWP, that is department, and we are taking it from that book itself. Okay, that is some of the things from the road departments. Okay, if it is perfect. Okay, this also you can check it out. Okay, these items are not included in the uh, our SR books, and this is the retrofitting. Okay, means if any existing connections are there, that has to be repaired. Okay, so this is one Excel sheet. See, and one very important thing is that always do the calculations in Excel sheet only. Okay, why? Because this is more relevant. Adding, deleting, and auto summing is be accurate. Okay, so this is about the sample estimate. What are the things will be there? Okay, then there it is. I'll show you the PWDSR, right? Okay, this is the PWDSR rate of 2018-19. See, in the PWDSR rate, you can find that the KSRB. These are all what I showed, that is KSRB. Okay, here you can see. See, it is the KSRB. So what I am showing now, that is uh, the PWD SR rate. There also you can find some of the items, and you can see all these are KSRB only. So KSRB it is always they will refer this PWD SR. So then earthwork for buildings and anti-termite treatment. Anti-termite means if you are spraying any of the chlorinated powder for each of the villages, or somewhere if you are spraying it to remove the termites. So that is the, so if it is cement concrete, so this is the rate. If it is stonework, these are the rates. If it is a brickwork, this is a consolidated. Okay. If you are practicing any of the things, you refer this one only, because it has been consolidated and well organized. Okay, and the rates are perfect. Okay, and even when you are um, uh, using in Excel directly, you can import also. Okay, import and export is also possible. Steel and aluminium works, and the roofing works, the woodwork. Okay, waterproofing, so drainage works, so then sanitary works. So if the sanitary work is carrying out by the PW department, so then they will refer this one only. If the sanitary work is by the RWS department, so then they will refer their code only. Okay, the water supply works. So it's around many things are there. Just go through it. I'll share this information. So definitely it is going to help in future. And different materials. This is also very important. See, for each of the materials, the separate rates are there. You can see the units also. See in this side, see this is the unit. What you can see, you can observe the units. You can observe the units. Okay, you can observe the units. Okay, just go through once all the related things. So if you have any doubts in preparing the estimates, maybe I'll give you some of the exercise after completing your IA. So try to work out and try to um, do the estimate. Okay, for each of the things. Um, so let's see if any confusion is there. That will verify it. Okay, we'll check it out. Okay, this is the latest one, 2018 and 19. Okay. So then, if you have any doubts, um, you can ask. The assignment I will share now. Okay, the assignments will share now.
Okay, sir.
Uh, so just go through that assignment once. Along with that, I'm sharing the PPTs also. So that itself is a notes. Okay, so it is a brief information I've given. Okay, so in the assignment, for what you have to refer, that also I have given. Um,
Sir, problems PDF.
Problems.